Hi guys, it's Habib here. In this video, we are going to help you discover the untapped potential of the African market. Learn about emerging trends and investment opportunities. Network with like-minded professionals from across the globe. Whether you are thinking of expanding your businesses or exploring new partnerships, this summit is the ultimate platform to tap into the Africans' entrepreneurial spirit and drive economic development. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you a lot of things, and it is happening live and colored on the 25th of November this year, right in Ghana. But it's not meant for only Ghanaians because we have some diaspora who will be also taking part into this summit. So, in this video, I've jotted 6 strong points that I'm going to share with you because at the end of this, a lot of people are going to get jobs in big companies. A lot of you are going to earn a lot each month, and the business enthusiasts among you guys are going to also get free business ideas and also business opportunities that they can explore in Ghana. So this video is for you. Maybe you are thinking you are just a common floor member, whether you're a diaspora, whether you are a university graduate, a high school graduate, a business enthusiast, a common floor member. This video is for you. I've been part of this business summit. I started joining this business summit since 2021, and I have 2 certificates because each time that I go, I have been given certificates, and I got the chance to meet high profile personnel and a lot of people that you will never think of. So I just don't want to talk much. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, complete the sentence. Akwaba. So in this video, we are going to talk much about the African Transformational Summit. Previously, it was called the African Transformational Project or African Transformationalism, and now the name has been changed to African Business Opportunities Forum and Expo. And under this summit, you are going to meet a lot of high profiles, but these are the strong 6 points that I'm going to give you because a lot of people are going to get job opportunities. These are the strong points. First, it's going to be about the summit. One. Secondly, it's going to be about the speakers. Thirdly, it's going to be about the people who will be attending this summit, and the fourth one is much like how to connect with the business, like their telephone number, their email address, their website. I'm going to give you out for free, and after that I'm going to share with you the sponsors of this video. Then we'll end the video with a conclusion. So now the first one is about the upcoming summit. As I said previously, we used to call it the African Transformational Project. In 2021, I attended because I saw it on Facebook. That's where I applied, and they sent me the location when the time or the date reached, and I took my bus and attended the meeting. So it happened at this Nat Hall, close to Adabraka Circle, and it was very entertaining. So I had a previous YouTube channel called Mr. Turu GH. That's where I uploaded that video. That was in 2021 because when I went, I also took some videos and I uploaded it on that channel. So this is it. You can watch it, though I'm no more uploading on that channel again. Now we are on the Habib Educate channel. That's where we are active now. As you can see, the first time, that was in 2021 that I attended this meeting. This is it. That was me taking part, or that was me on my way to the summit. So I got lost and I have to chat with some of my TikTok followers, and they also directed me to the Nat Hall. That's the hall right behind me, and these are some few pictures that I took. That was back in 2021. So after that, that's about the business. We got to meet high profile people. That brings us to the second point, which is the speakers. So the speakers here are Mr. Kwesi Ajiman, which is the he's in the Ghana Tourism Authority. I don't really know him because I think this is his first time of being a speaker. Mr. Kwesi Ajiman from the Ghana Tourism Authority, and we have Mr. Jeremiah Boatin, the CEO of Lead Consultant and Corporate Toolbox. Then we have Mr. Maximus Ametogo. Shout outs to all my ever friends out there if you are watching me here. So he is also a digital media strategist, and this man was part of the reason why I started, though he was part of the reason why I got some ideas and started a new channel after I attended the summit, because he knew much about text. He spoke about the social media platforms, how we are going to use them and how we are going to earn from them. So he is also part of the speakers this year. So just imagine if you go there, get more ideas, and if you're a content creator, that will be a plus for you. Then the last speaker here is Marvin Walker. This man here, I don't really know him, but as it is written, the CEO of Shark Island, Ghana. So when I went to Facebook and I wanted to check and know much about this man here, the CEO of Shark Island, Ghana, I discovered they were into real estate business also, where they build and sell. And imagine, like, they discovered this island in Ghana. You go with boats and also enjoy on this island just to entertain yourself, so you can go and also explore it yourself, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So all these people are going to take part, and they are the speakers. They will give talks and also share ideas with you guys. It is free, and you also have the time to take pictures with them if you want to. Now, if I was in Ghana, I would have attended this summit because I had a message from one of the something affair. She was part of also some of the organizers of the summit. So I'm not part, and YouTubers watching me, you can also take advantage of it. Go there, shoot videos, and also publish for people to know about this summit, because it is helping a lot, and a lot of Africans from various countries are going to take part of it. So just imagine, let's go to the CEO of the Shark Island, Ghana, or whatever. So there we have the real estate agents, real estate, a lot, the constructors. So you just imagine. Now, which people are needed here? The diaspora. You have to know that we are getting to December. Now we are in the month of November. This is taking place on the 25th of November this same year. There is something like about the diaspora that whenever it's getting to December, most of them come to Ghana, see the castle where our ancestors were being enslaved, like how our ancestors were being enslaved, know much about the story, visit this castle, see these dungeons and other stuff. So if you are a diaspora and you are having a mindset of establishing a business in Ghana, I think this summit is also the right place for you. Take advantage of it, attend this summit, meet these professional speakers, and connect with them, so that from there I think it can lead you to you establishing your business. Because Mr. Jeremiah Boatin, for him personally, I chatted him before, and he's also a good speaker. He helps people to establish business, as I said, from lead consultant. He's also a consultant. So connect with them and you are going to benefit from it. That's if you're a diaspora. Now let's go to university graduates. University graduates, there are a lot of companies that attends this summit, and after the end of the summit, people come out to announce this is their businesses and they need this kind of person. So let me see, a website developer. If you are a university graduate, take advantage of this summit, attend it, and also learn more. And if you are lucky, when these companies are searching for workers, you are going to be part of it. Because last time that I went, there was a guy who was also part of the attendees, but he was a university graduate. After the summit, the businesses came out to announce that they are in need of workers. At that instant, I was sitting right beside a guy. He got the opportunity. They took his number, and they also told him he's going to relocate right from Accra to the Northern region, because the business was located in the Northern region. This guy accepted, and they went and continued that conversation. So you just imagine. Now, after the university graduate, the high school graduate. Why did I say high school graduate? By then I was a high school graduate also. Mr. Jeremiah, I contacted him that I needed a job, though how I contacted him and what I wrote wasn't that good. It wasn't that professional. Then told him I was in need of a job, and he was also in need of a worker, because he said one of his staffs was about to leave for school, so he needed someone to replace him. And I was interested, but how I went with it wasn't that good. So he also advised me after that and told me if I'm in need of it, I can. He just showed me the location, but I didn't go. So just imagine, if you are in a high school graduate, there's a chance for you also there. Try, if you are in Accra or around Accra, try as much as possible to attend this summit, because I'm going to give their social media handles, their telephone numbers, their email address, and the website also, so that you can also go there and know much about the upcoming summit on the 25th of November 2023. Now, after the high school graduate, let's go to business enthusiast. If you go there, you have the capital, you are planning to establish the business in Ghana, but because of the current situation, you don't know where to invest your money, then this summit is the right place for you. Go to the summit, meet these professionals for free. This is a consultant, and you have to know that before meeting a consultant, you have to pay. That's Mr. Jeremiah. So if he is going to attend this summit and speak for free, why wouldn't you take advantage of it? Meet this consultant for free and share ideas for free also. I think this is going to make sense. If you're a content creator, Mr. Maximus is also there for you. Know much about content creating when you attend this meeting. Try to meet him, take pictures with him, and also connect with him, so that the rest will be history. Then the common floor members, each and everyone can attend this meeting. It doesn't matter whether you attended school before or not, so far as you are in Ghana. But it's not meant for only Ghanaians. If you're in Africa or wherever you are, you can take advantage of it. But the diaspora, if you are in Ghana, already in Ghana, then take advantage of this summit. After that, now we are done with the speakers. Let's go to the info, so that I'll tell you how you can connect with them. Their website is www.afbuffet.org. I'm going to leave it on the screen. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay, so now that's the website. Their telephone number, you can hit them on +233 54 851 8498, and their social media handles, both on IG, on Facebook, on Twitter, which is now X, and on LinkedIn. The name there is Africans Transformational Project. Then their email is info@afrotransformationalism.com. That's where you will be able to connect with them. And the date is 25th of November 2023, right this year. This same month, because today's month is, let me see, 5th. So how many days more? 20 days more to come, and this summit is going to take place. Now take advantage of this summit, and you can see the flyer here. Just watch the flyer. I'm coming, give me some few minutes. Okay, so this is the Shark Island Ghana's Facebook handle. That's where I went and do my research, and I came across this flyer because he also posted this flyer, and one of their member who chatted me also sent me this flyer. So you can see 2023 African Business Opportunities Forum and Expo, which I say Af Buffet. This is the team achieving the impossible, and the speakers are there: Akwesi Ajiman, Jeremiah Boateng, Maximums Ametogo, and Marvin Walker. So the sponsors are also below: Beyond the Return, that's for the diaspora coming to Ghana this December, and the December in Ghana event, and also the Institute of Solutions Engineering. All are these, they are sponsors. So just imagine you are going to be given a free certificate. Let me show you my certificate now. So this is me in 2021, and these are my certificates. So the first one, you can see Bawa Habibullah Ahmed. What was the year? The first one was in 2022, and the down one was in 2021. So you can see you'll be given a free certificate also, and that's going to be an electronic certificate. They're going to send it to you through your email, or through a PDF, and you are going to also receive it. Guys, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to be part of the African business revolution. This is going to help a lot of people because the situation in Ghana now is tough. Take advantage of this summit. Get to connect with professional speakers and CEOs of various companies. I think this video is educative and it's okay for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you are interested and you want to know much about this summit, I think you can just let me know in the comment section down below so that I could come live and we'll have a discussion. I want to share this on Facebook also, on my Facebook handle, and also on Instagram, because it is in this month and a lot of people have to know about it. Even Mr. Walker also posted on his Facebook handle, and Mr. Jeremiah also did same. Guys, take advantage of it. This is the message I had from them this year. They were also inviting me to be part of the attendees, but I told them I'm currently busy and currently in a different country, so I'll not be able to make it. And I asked her whether I can join via social media platforms, and she said she's sorry, she's not sure, but they will post it on YouTube so I can watch. Now this is what she sent me. She said, "Hello Ahmed, African Business Summit is now African Business Opportunities Forum and Expo, which is AFBuffet. This year, African Business Opportunities Forum and Expo has been listed by the Ghana Tourism Authority as part of the December in Ghana event." I just wish I'm in Ghana. I just wish I'm in Ghana today. But that's just by the way. She said more information about the event can be found on the attached flyer. Register as an attendee or exhibitor at www.avbuffet.org. I'll leave it on the screen. Don't miss out. Come, let's transform the African together. Thank for being a loyal partner of African Transformational Project by Sylvia Okran. And I think if you watch on the certificate also, something Okran, I don't know whether it's a family related project. Whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section down below, and it will be cool, and I'll also be glad to also reply you guys. This video is informative, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.